Hello and good morning, students. Welcome to my class. It is a GK class. This class is for 6th standard students. So in this class, we'll discuss from chapter 24, geographical features. In this chapter, there are some hints. Fill in the missing letters with the help of the given clues. So first question is, located in South America, it is one of the highest navigable lakes in the world. It would be Titicaca, Titicaca, Titicaca. Now, second, this is a dormant volcano located in Hawaii. The answer is Mauna Kea, Maunakea, Mauna Kea. I have already given this answer of PDF earlier. This hot desert is located in southern Africa. It's the name of a desert. You have to tell the name of the desert. It is Kalahari, Kalahari, Kalahari Desert. Now, question number 4. This is a large saltwater body located in northern Canada. It would be Hudson, Hudson, Hudson Bay, Bay, Hudson Bay. Now question number 5, located between Canada and USA, it is one of the grandest waterfalls in the world. The answer is Niagara, Niagara, Falls, Niagara Falls. Question number 6, this mountain region in southern Germany is the source of the Danube and Nectar rivers. This is the mountain region in southwest Germany is the source of the Danube and the Nectar rivers. That is Black Forest. Question number 7. This is a large tropical rainforest located in South America. And the answer is Amazon rainforest. The question is, this is a large tropical rainforest located in South America. And the answer is Amazon rainforest. Now, the next page. Question, it is page, chapter number 25, saving our environment. Students, you know it very well that how environment is important for us. If environment is polluted, we will be also polluted with this environment. So it is our primary duty or responsibility to keep our environment clean, to save our environment, to save trees and all aspects of natural resources every time on which we are dependent, such as oxygen, the first and foremost source of our life. Oxygen. Without oxygen, no one can survive in this earth. No living being can survive in this earth. So that oxygen is very much important for us. So from where oxygen is generated, you must know this, that tree releases oxygen in the daytime. When in the daytime tree releases oxygen. So we should protect the tree, the jungle, the woods. Okay. So here are some points to be noted for you, which we should follow so that our environment may be saved, our surroundings may be saved, and the human race also may be saved. If we are not interested about this matter, if we are not point out in this matter so seriously, if we don't take this matter so seriously, so a dangerous day is about to come. So it is the high time, students. It is the time to prove yourself that we are the original inhabitant of this earth, the people, and people can save our earth in any aspect. So let's begin. Let's read this chapter 25, saving our environment. Today there are much fewer trees than there were 10 years back. People continue to cut trees and harm our environment so that they can live more comfortably. The harmful smoke and gases emitted by vehicles and factories pollute the air that we breathe. What is the meaning in Hindi? You know it very well. 10 साल पहले वो सारा पेड़ पौधे नहीं थे, जो थे अभी वो नहीं है. हार्मफुल जो गैसेस रिलीज हो रहा है, बहुत सारा गाड़ी जो व्हीकल और फैक्ट्री से, वो हमारा जो एनवायरनमेंट है उसको प्रदूषित कर रहा है और इसी में हम सांस लेते हैं. Here are a few facts related to the environment. Deep roots hold the tree and the topsoil to deeper layers and reduce the changes of a landslide. Aluminium cans are by far the most recycled drinks package in the world. According to one of the noise pollution rules in India, a loudspeaker or a public address system shall not be used at night between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. except in closed auditoriums, conference rooms and banquet halls. Lack of water that is safe for drinking and sanitation purposes is believed to be the world's single largest cause of illness. Sorry. In 2004, Interior Alloys introduced clay cups by Cool Hands as a replacement of plastic cups. Nearly 15,000 glaciers and 9,000 glacial lakes in the Himalayan mountain chain that are a lifeline for nearly 1.3 billion people downstream and shrinking at an average rate of 10 to 60 meters annually. Means if it goes on within 20 years, our world will be fulfilled by water by any means, and the height will be more than a coconut tree, the water level. Why it is happening? Who are responsible for this? We people are responsible for this, because we know it very well. It is harmful for us. What is harmful to us? To cut the tree is harmful to us. What is harmful to us? Such as wastage of drinking water is harmful to us. Still we are cutting the trees in regular basis. Still we are wasting water in regular basis. So it is our fault. nobody is to be blamed but the human. If you see towards the nature, towards the animal, they know the value of the nature, so they do not waste anything from the nature. But we people, we are intelligent, so-called intelligent. We are the best creation of God. We are the intellectual personnel in this world. But still we are going to harm our nature in every step of life. It is the high time, students, it is the high time to realize this fact. If we don't take any active step against this, within 15 to 20 years, there will not be a single shine of living thing in this earth. Everything will be submerged by water in any means. So it is the time, it is the high time for us to protect our future, to protect our land, to protect our environment. Plantation is must be needed for us. Saving drinking water is one of the most important thing in our life. And the seventh point is, many Indian states such as Maharashtra, Karnataka, Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir have decided to ban the use and sale, production, storage and distribution of polythene bags. And polythene bags harm our environment in different ways. It bans the drainage systems, so that in the time of flood, when heavy rainfall occurs, so the polythene bag bans the drainage system, so that sometimes we face the flood, the deadly flood. It causes the deadly flood. It causes to stop, breathe the tree, to suck the water from the soil. In such a various ways, it harms our nature. Okay, so go to the next topic. It is 26 famous novels. Read these memorable opening lines from those famous novels, identify and name them using the help box. There is a help box also. I'll tell you. It was 7 o'clock for a very warm evening in the Seoni Hills, when father would woke up from his day's rest, scratched himself, yawned, and spread out his paws one after the other to get rid of the sleepy feeling in their tips. So these lines are taken from Jungle Books by Rudyard Kipling. Now, second, it was the best of times, it was the worst of times, it was the age of wisdom, it was the age of foolishness, it was the epoch of belief, it was the epoch of incredulity, it was the season of light, it was the season of darkness. So go to the help box. Here is the help box, and the second question is A Tale of Two Cities. Okay, it is a story. The lines are taken from a story of A Tale of Two Cities. Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Private Drive were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. It is from Harry Potter. Question number 4. The first place that I can well remember was a large, pleasant meadow with a pond of clear water in it. Some shady trees leaned over it, and rushed the water lilies grew at the deep end. It is question number 4. I think it is Black Beauty. Yes, it is Black Beauty. Now question number 5. It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possessing of a good fortune must be in want of a wife. Question number 5, that is Pride and Prejudice. Question number 6. My father had a small estate in Nottinghamshire. The pronunciation of this is Nottinghamshire. I was the third of 5 sons. He went me to Emmanuel College in Cambridge at 14 years old, where I resided 3 years and applied myself close to my studies. Question number 6, it is Gulliver Travels. Now go to next page, that is page number 27, Literature of India. In this page there are 2 columns. The left hand side column, there are the column of books, and the right hand side columns, this column represents the name of the author. Okay, match these books to their author. First I should read the name of the books. First is Waiting for the Mahatma, The Calcutta Chromosome, A Passage to England, Godan, Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra, The God of Small Things, Coolie, English, August. Now I should match these books to their authors. First is Waiting for Mahatma. Here is the answer is R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan has written the book Waiting for Mahatma. Now second question, the Calcutta Chromosome. The Calcutta Chromosome, here the question number is 2. Let's see, it is Amitav Ghosh. Amitav Ghosh is the writer of the Calcutta Chromosome. The book, name of the book is Calcutta Chromosome. A Passage to India, we know it very well, it is Nirod C. Chaudhary. It is question number 3. Here is the answer, it is Nirod C. Chaudhary. Now question number 4, Godan. You know it very well also, it is Munshi Premchand. It is question number 4 and answer number A. It is Munshi Premchand. Now question number 5, Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. It is Ruskin Bond. This book is a famous book. It is written by Ruskin Bond, and the question number is 5 and answer number is B. Now the God of Small Things, it is Arundhati. Yes, it is Arundhati Rai. Question number 6 and answer number D. Now Coolie. Coolie is written by Upamanyu Chatterjee. It is question number I'm very sorry, it is Coolie. Coolie is Mulk Raj Anand. Okay, Coolie, question number 7 is written by Mulk Raj Anand. Coolie is a book and the author of the book is Mulk Raj Anand. Now proceed to question number 8. Question is English August. English August is the name of the book. You must tell the name of the author. Here is the author. Name of the author is on your screen. It is Upamanyu Chatterjee. Okay, so I think it is the last chapter of GK. It is chapter number 27. Okay, so in the next video class I'll be there in front of you with new chapter for you. Stay tuned with us and keep watching this video. Stay safe yourself at your home. Stay at your home. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.